Do you find yourself arguing with yourself when you have a goal that you made? For example, whether it's working out, your business, your social media, you say, hey, I'm going to start doing this, or I'm going to start doing this tomorrow. And then you start arguing with yourself on why you should not do it. This is a hack that I've been using that may be a benefit to you, because I need to get my stuff together. And again, this is my journey. Hopefully it'll benefit you as well. If you don't know me, this is your boy Wick. Wick, shut up. All right. So one of the not problems, but challenges I've had is getting up early and doing a task that I want to do, meaning getting up early or working out, getting up early and sitting in my office and working, whatever is the task, getting up, doing more social media posts, doing videos, doing educational blogs, etc., whatever's on your plate. And I realized that I have like 20 personalities in my head that like I'm gonna start a diet. It's like, okay, well, let's start tomorrow, or let's start Monday. Or if I already ate a little bit of ice cream, well, you already ate a little bit, you might as well eat it all. These are all thoughts and voices in my head that are counterproductive to what I want to do. So before, I was having challenges waking up, just getting up in the morning, sleep. I just still don't know. They say you need 8 hours of sleep. I don't know the math. I don't know what it is. Still trying to figure it out. Probably never will. But realizing I do need to get up earlier so I can get more done. One thing I start saying to myself is, when I'm getting up in the morning and it's like, the bed's comfortable, and that voice starts talking, the bed's so comfortable, it's warm, you don't want to get up, we'll get up early tomorrow, we'll catch up later. Instead of just listening to that voice, I want to be the stronger voice and say, this is what I've been saying lately. This is what we do now. This is what we do now. Get up. And one of the areas that makes it easier for me is I look at, let's just say, a competition or my arch nemesis or whoever, go, you know what? I bet that person's up. Right. And a lot of the times I go, you know what? There's a lot of people that have those similar thoughts. They want to get up in the morning, but they don't. And that's why they're stuck. Wick, if you get up, you'll be able to get further. You'll be able to get faster. So as an esthetician, very similar. If you look at a lot of other esthetician social media pages and you see what they're doing, and they're doing the bare minimums, and then you commit to doing more, adding more, doing more videos, doing more posts, doing more promotions, etc. And when you don't want to, be like, you know what? This is what the other estheticians goes through their mind, and they give up. They stop. And that's why they're stuck. Let's do this. Let's get further. Let's get faster. This is what we do now. This is what we do now. And then just do it. Go, this is what we do now. And then do it. Don't listen to these other voices in your mind. You know, that's your brain trying to protect your body, or whatever self-defense mechanisms we have, that once were wonderful if there's a tiger or saber-toothed tiger behind us, but it doesn't serve me now to be able to sit safe in my bed. It's no, this is what I do now. This is me now. This is just what we do. This is just what we do. And we do it. And then we get up again and we do it again. We get up again, we do it again. And through that process, that consistency, you build your hustle muscle, you build your habits, you get your schedule going, and then over time of consistency, of doing it again and again and again and again, you'll hopefully realize that, wow, you know, that's all it is. It's just putting in the work. So that's what I'm doing. Hopefully that's a benefit to you. Next time you want to do or create an activity, a schedule, a habit, and you have that other voice telling you not to go, hey, this is just what we do now. Get up, let's go. This is what we do now. And other people that are not doing well, these are the same voices in their head. So While they're sitting comfortably in bed, I'm out here hustling and doing more. To get more, you must do more. Secrets to life. Be amazing because it pays very well. Good luck. This is what you do now. Peace. Peace. Peace.